Hey guys, welcome back to cryptoTV. This is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at a lot of technical tools to see what the charts are telling us technically. So quickly, I'll be moving on to the Bitcoin first. So if you talk about the current market price of Bitcoin, it's trading at 44,000. So from the previous 2 days, we have seen that there was an upside momentum in almost all the cryptocurrencies. And that's the reason we have seen that the price is now trading at this level. And it's basically at a very near to the resistance 1. So now this time, because this 45,000 resistance level, it's very important. In the recent past, we have seen that the price is, trying to break this level many a times, but it failed actually. Now this time again, we will see what can happen from the chart. So we'll talk about that part once we move on to the chart. As of now, if you look at the trend, we can see that, for a very short period of time, you can say a sideways trend or a consolidated trend. But if you look at the overall trend, still we can say we are in a bearish trend only, in a downtrend only. So if you look at the RSI, because the recent upside in the prices, the RSI is also moving towards the 59 levels. If you talk about the moving averages, the 50 EMA, which is the exponential moving average level, comes out to be 41,670. 100 EMA is at 44,193. 200 EMA is at 45,718. Now also if you look at the support and resistance levels, so support 1 comes out to be 41,211. Support 2 is at 35,335, resistance 1 is at 45,332, and resistance 2 is at 48,546. Now one thing which I can see from the levels is the current market price has already already broke this particular 50 EMA, and it's going above, is trading above than the 50 EMA. So for a short period of time, it is a sign of bullishness. Even if you look at the 100 EMA, the current market price is very near to the 100 EMA. So if we see that again, if the price breaks this level and if the price closes above then 100 EMA, we might see good, that will be an add-on to the upside movement, that will be add-on to the bullishness for a short period of time. But again, for a trend to reverse, for a, big confirmation to the upside, once the price breaks that 200 EMA, then we will be getting a good indication that from now onwards, you will get a complete trend reversal. So that is something, you can see, you can watch out, because this is a very crucial time of wait and watch, in the Bitcoin chart. Let's quickly come to the Bitcoin chart. Okay. Now the overall trend which I was talking about is this, the downtrend. And if I'll zoom it a bit, if I'll see the current momentum, so you can see that currently it's trading in this range only. So you can see that this 45,332 is the resistance as of now, and the support is 35,335. So in a range of, overall, it's in a range of 35,300 and 45,300. So currently, you can look at here that the price is very nicely hovering around at this 100 moving averages, and today not much momentum is there. But again, this is not the right time where we get the momentum in the cryptocurrency. So we need to wait for the evening close, and then we would be able to get an idea where can the price go. Now, if you look at the previous few times, we have seen that the price is many a times price tried to reach this 45,000 levels, but it unable to do that. Now here again, that kind of analysis we can do, that if the price breaks this level, that will be a good indication for the upside only. So this is how the situation of wait and watch is basically concluded for the Bitcoin chart. Let's move on to the Ethereum now. So for the Ethereum, almost a similar situation is there, that the price is trading at 3,000 level. Again, we have seen little bit upside in the Ethereum also. However, the trend is into again the downtrend. The RSI is at 56. Now, if you talk about the 50 EMA, it's at 2,971. So recently, if you see that the price is trading slightly higher than the 50 EMA, which is also a good sign, positive sign for the buyers. Now, if you look at the 100 EMA level, that is 3,242 and 200 EMA is at 3,202. Now, look at the daily support and resistance level. So support 1 is at 2,855, support 2 is at 2,336, resistance 1 is at 3,361 and resistance 2 is at 3,627. Now let's quickly move on to the Ethereum chart. Okay. Now this is something, which the downtrend is there, and look at closely. So you can see this kind of consolidated or sideways movement, and again, if the price is able to break this 3361 resistance level, you will see a trend reversal, as well as you will see more upside momentum in the Ethereum chart. As of now, the price is very nicely taking the support of 2855, and look at the moving averages. Recently got a crossover, but the momentum, it's missing because the price is not giving you much momentum. That's the reason you are not getting good difference or a divergence between the moving averages. Now, if you look at here, again, you can see that the price is now trying to approach this resistance level, and but the kind of momentum we have seen in the Bitcoin, that is something missing in the case of Ethereum. So yes, it's slightly slowly moving towards the upside. So we need to see what can happen here also, because almost the similar situation we can see in both of the currencies. So that's how we basically conduct the analysis every day for our viewers. So thank you so much for joining with us.